Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Kraken to Bitmart in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin holdings between exchanges for better opportunities or security, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and Bitmart, and that your Dogecoin is safely in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Here, you'll find your Dogecoin balance. Next, select Dogecoin and click on the Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transfers aren't instant, so factor in network fees and processing times. Now, head over to your Bitmart account. Go to the Deposit section, select Dogecoin, and copy the wallet address provided. This address is super important. It's like the GPS coordinates for your coins, so don't mix it up with any other. Back on Kraken, paste the Bitmart address into the withdrawal form. Double check that it's correct. One wrong character could send your Dogecoin into the digital void. Select the Dogecoin network if prompted. Make sure it matches what Bitmart uses to avoid any issues. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for extra security. After you submit, keep an eye on your transaction. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just reach out to the exchange support. A few quick tips. Always use the exact network specified, watch out for fees that could eat into your transfer, and never share your private keys. By 2025, crypto security is even more critical, so stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer Dogecoin from Kraken to Bitmart. I hope this guide made things crystal clear and saved you some headaches. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.